Hi everybody, my name is Jennifer Squires and here we make, paint, create, sew and have fun, and today I'm going to show you how I covered my Christmas tree in D&D dice without anyone noticing.
So I have this modelling powder that my mum had left over from a craft activity, so I'm going to be using that. And the first thing I'm doing is sorting out my dice moulds. Now these dice are used for resin, but they're on their way out, so I might as well use them for a few other things before I replace them. So this is a model powder. She got it off Temu. It was part of like a model powder and an alginate thing, so you can create life casts of your hands. So it's 100 grams of powder to 75 milliliters of water, and you mix it for a minute and it sets in 2 hours. So I'm going to be using these eye pins, which I also use for jewelry making and keyring making, and I'm going to bend them at the end so they have kind of like a fish hook. And when I put this into the model powder, once it's mixed with water, it can set around it so that the pins won't come out. And then I will thread ribbon through this to hang them from the tree. So it's been 2 hours. These have gone through their exothermic reaction and cooled down, which means during the setting process they heat up, and now they've completely cooled back down again. So they're ready to unmold, and they have picked up a lot of detail, which I'm really excited about, and I'm actually really proud of myself that I didn't spill anything while I was pouring these up. So I'm going to let these dry out and fully cure overnight, because when a plaster of Paris or a model powder like this is still cold to the touch, it still means it's retaining a lot of moisture. So I'm just allowing it to dry and set overnight. I actually put it out in the sun for most of the day. Okay, so it's the next day. These are lovely and dried out. I'm going to be painting 7 of these dice silver and 7 gold because it already fits with the kind of decorations that are already on our Christmas tree. And if I'm going to get away with sneaking these onto the tree, I need to fit with what's already on there. I just let these dry for the rest of the afternoon and then snuck them on the tree late at night. I had a lot of fun doing this. I know that D&D is not everyone's thing, and I'm still learning about the game and its mechanics and how it works, but one thing I do know is I like dice. I like dice an awful lot, confidently enough to describe myself somewhat as a dice goblin. But this is for all of my other fellow dice goblins. Please like, comment, share this video with a friend, share it with a fellow dice goblin, thumbs up, thumbs down, you do you, and I will see you in another video. Bye!